friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe. It's a Mexican steak with peppers. Yes, you're going to love this delicious recipe. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have chicken bouillon, garlic cloves, black pepper, bay leaves, bell peppers, orange, red, and green, 1 tomato, onion, and of course the sirloin tip steaks. This is everything you need to make this delicious and amazing Mexican steak at home. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the sirloin steaks, and I want to go ahead and slice them thinly and in little strips. Let me show you. Look at this. This steak a la mexicana really comes out amazing. You could combine it with, of course, with rice, with tortillas. It's just amazing, this dish. Look at this. This is how I'm gonna cut all my steaks in little strips and nice and thin, just like that. Well, I'm going to continue until I am completely done. And here I am completely done with the steaks, and I'm going to transfer them here and reserve them. I want to go ahead and reserve them so I could continue with my veggies. I have my veggies here, and I'm going to go ahead and start by rinsing them very good through running water. Once this is completely done, now I am ready to start slicing all the peppers thinly, just the way I did with the meat. Look at this. You want to make sure that all your peppers are almost the same size. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to continue slicing the peppers. I have the onion here, and I'm going to do the same thing, and then I'm going to just pull it apart, making sure that they're nice and pulled so that they combine completely into the peppers. I have these little chilies. You know something? These chilies are not spicy at all. I want this steak a la mexicana to be nice and colorful. So I'm going to do the same thing with these little chilies, just like that. This combination of the colors looks amazing in this dish, in this Mexican dish. Here I have the tomato, and I'm going to go ahead and just slice it just like that. And I have everything nice and prepped. Look at this. I have the peppers in little strips, nice and thin. I have the tomato. I'm using the seeds too. The onion and the bell pepper. Well, now I am completely done. This is ready. I'm going to go ahead and just transfer it to a plate so that I have everything handy and ready when it's time to add them to the pan. And here they are. They are completely ready. I have my garlic cloves here, and I like to smash them just like that, one by one, and then I'm going to start slicing them and dicing them very small. Look at this. Okay, this is completely done. Let's go to the stove and start cooking. I have my pan nice and hot, and I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And to this, I'm going to add the garlic first. You know something? The garlic, I like to add it first so that it starts leaving all the delicious flavors on the pan, and adding the meat will absorb the delicious flavor of the garlic. And here I have the black pepper. I'm just going to go ahead and mix it completely until the meat has changed color and it's already nice and cooked, just like that. And it really doesn't take too long. When it's nice and brown like this, now it's time to remove it. I'm going to go ahead and remove it. I'm going to leave all those delicious juice of the meat here on the pan. Now I am ready to add the peppers, the onion, and I'm going to saute them for just a little bit, maybe for a minute or two. And now I'm ready to add my bay leaves. These are small bay leaves. Once I add them and everything is nice and incorporated, I'm going to go ahead and, of course, I'm going to add the tomato. Once I incorporate the tomato with all the delicious peppers, now is the time to add the chicken bouillon. Remember that the chicken bouillon is to taste. So I'm going to add it here, mix it around, and then I'm going to add the beef. All the steak, I'm just going to leave it on the top so that you could see how delicious and amazing this looks. I can't wait to prepare either tacos or combine it with rice. I'm not sure which one I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this delicious steak a la mexicana. Well, here I'm gonna mix everything, cover for 10 minutes, and then we'll see when this is completely done. It has a little bit of juices after the 10 minutes, and this is completely done. I am ready to taste it. It tastes amazing. I don't need to add anything else to it. Now, look at this. You could see that all those juices are on the bottom, and this is what tastes amazing. All those delicious juices are really absorbed by the peppers. And now I am ready to plate it. And I want to show you how this looks. My home smells amazing, and this looks delicious. Look at this. And of course, I have my plate ready, and I wanted to enjoy these delicious steak a la mexicana with rice. And I'm adding some of the steak here. And look at this. This is exactly how I'm going to enjoy this steak a la mexicana. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. Enjoy it with your family because it really comes out amazing every time. I am ready for the presentation. And you know something? I'll see you in a little bit because I can't wait to enjoy. See you in a bit. With this delicious a la mexicana steak. I added some rice, but of course you could enjoy it just like that with tortillas. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. I can't wait to taste it. And of course, I want to get a little bit of everything. Excuse me. You know something? All the veggies absorbed all the delicious flavor of the meat. This just came out perfect. You know something? Definitely. When you cook at home with lots of love, everything comes out perfect. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious Mexican steak a la mexicana. See you soon, my friends. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.